The US dollar and the euro are two of the world's most important currencies, widely used for global trade and finance, and each plays a major role in the international economy. Overview of USD and the euro. USD is the currency of the United States, considered the world's main reserve currency, as it is widely used in international transactions like oil trading. The strength of the US economy and financial policies help maintain USD's global value. The euro, used by 19 countries in the Eurozone, is the second most traded currency globally, managed by the European Central Bank to support the Eurozone's collective economy. Competing for global currency status. USD serves as the world's primary currency, central to most global trade and finance transactions. Many countries hold large reserves of USD to support their economies. Since its introduction, the euro has become the second most important currency for international trade. While the euro plays a growing role in global finance, USD remains the leading currency. Exchange rates and market influence. Both USD and the euro operate with flexible or floating exchange rates, meaning their values shift based on supply and demand in global markets. Each currency is influenced by its economic conditions, inflation, and interest rates. When the US economy is strong, USD usually strengthens. Similarly, the euro rises with a strong Eurozone economy, leading to stability when both regions perform well. Financial policies and currency strength. The US Federal Reserve manages the country's interest rates and financial policies, which directly impact USD's value. When US interest rates rise, USD often becomes more attractive to investors. In the Eurozone, the ECB is responsible for policies affecting the euro. Managing economic differences among 19 countries can be complex, but the ECB works to keep the euro stable. Economic relationship between the US and EU. The US and EU are major trading partners, and their trade relations impact the value of both currencies. When trade relations are stable, USD and the euro tend to be steady. However, trade disputes or tariffs can cause currency fluctuations. The euro's value also depends on stability across EU member countries, as issues in one country can affect the entire Eurozone. Risks and challenges. USD's dominance means it greatly affects other countries. If USD's value rises too high, it increases debt costs for countries with loans in USD, making repayments harder. The Eurozone's economic diversity presents its own challenges. Differing economic conditions across member countries can complicate policymaking, and an issue in one country can impact the Eurozone's stability. Future outlook. USD is expected to remain the primary global currency due to the strong US economy and global trust in USD, making it the preferred currency for trade and finance. The euro is also expected to play an important role, though further economic and political unity within the Eurozone could strengthen its position globally. In summary, USD and the euro are essential for the global economy, affecting trade, finance, and economic stability worldwide. While they sometimes compete, both play vital roles in balancing and driving international economic growth. Useful expressions. The strength of the euro against USD this quarter might affect our cost calculations for imports from the Eurozone. We should monitor US dollar to euro exchange rates closely, especially if we plan to expand our operations in both regions. With USD's position as the dominant global currency, most of our suppliers prefer to be paid in USD to minimize currency risk. Diversifying our currency reserves by holding more euros alongside USD could protect us against sudden USD appreciation. The ECB's recent policy changes might weaken the euro, which could benefit us if we source materials from Europe. The euro's stability is essential for our operations in Europe, as any fluctuations can impact our pricing and budget. If USD remains strong, we may see reduced costs for importing goods from Europe, given the relative strength against the euro. We should watch out for any Eurozone political shifts, as they can significantly impact the euro's value. Since USD is the primary reserve currency, fluctuations in its value can have a direct impact on our international operations. Trade tensions between the US and EU can cause volatility in both USD and Euro, which may affect our pricing strategy.